carry God, so I fear not. Steady increase in the command. Original no be part of me. You know be clear for your memory. But then now we was come back. I did go travel, living life in my fire burning.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new vlog. I just wanted to come on here and quickly introduce this vlog and welcome you guys. In my last vlog, I told you that I was attending Gtco fashion weekend this weekend. So this vlog is basically like a prep vlog for it. I'm wearing two brands. So the first brand just sent my first outfit. I'm excited, guys. I've worked with this brand before, Dixie's Apparel. This brand, all their outfits are always quality, like top notch, nothing less, top notch. So I'm super excited to be working with them again. And I don't know if I should unbox this with you guys. I think this vlog should be up by Sunday by God's grace. So I think I'm safe. I think I can show you guys. So let's unbox it together. Oh, I'm so excited. I already know what's inside, but because I picked the outfit, but still seeing it, I am excited. Let's unbox. Oh, I love it. I love, love it. Oh my God. I've been wearing a lot of Ankara lately and I really do not mind. This should be the skirt. This is nice. I think this should be my size. Yeah, it's my size. So it's like a midi skirt and a crop shirt. I'm still expecting outfit 2. They said they're going to have it delivered this evening. So that's about the unboxing. I've not done anything on my hair and I think I should just wear my bob wig. Tomorrow I'm having a shoot. Like I want to take pictures with my outfits tomorrow before I go for the event on Saturday. I want to have my pictures, both of my outfits. I'm just going to straighten my wig and get it done and over with. Okay. We're taking the lights.
I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the boy bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with.
Hi guys, it's currently 12 a.m. and I just got in from my shoot. It's crazy. Like, I just got in from shooting content. Oh my god. Ish. I just got in from shooting content and I'm just trying to like do my skincare. I shot content with my friend Ene, my content friend Ene, and I just got in because it is the mall that I used is about 3 hours drive from my house, and I just picked that mall because it was closer to her, and I didn't want her to stress herself too much, so I just picked that place, and it is a public space, so I don't need to, pay anybody or be exchanging words with security people, because I don't know why security people will be behaving like God. Like, when they've worn that security uniform like this, their shoulder, like, calm down, calm down. Why you just calm down? Okay, you are the security personnel, so should we run? Shika Saloni, should we run? So when I was picking a spot to do the shoot, I was, putting it in mind. I made sure that I picked a place that security people will not disturb me. So yeah, we shot the content, and I just got back home. I got in at exactly 11:47 p.m. And so people that say that content creation is not a job, it's a full-time job. A full-time job. Now I have to go and edit those pictures and videos too. So yeah, I just got in. Just let me quickly, you know, do my makeup, do my skincare, and go to bed because I am so tired. I'm so tired, guys. Just had to bring out my phone and end this vlog properly for you guys, because I can't end the vlog like that for my people. So yeah, this is the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to let me know in the comments. Just tell me that, Sope, I enjoyed watching this. I would like to see more of this kind of vlogs. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. I'll see you in my next one by God's grace. I need to sleep. I'm tired. Oh, see you in my next one. Bye bye. Thought I forgot to kiss you? No.